I'm Jennifer. Welcome to Quick and Easy Meals. Today I'm going to be making a wonderful shrimp with a creamy sauce, broccoli, and pasta. Let me show you how easy this meal is to put together. This collaboration is hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle, Jean Home Decor and More, Debbie Bubbles, and me, Jennifer at Home. All of these channels, plus any other participating channels, will be listed below. Be sure to check them out, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'm going to get busy making my dinner. I'm making shrimp, broccoli, and pasta. I have my water started, and I'll get that boiling for my pasta. My broccoli is washed and cut up, and my shrimp are deveined and the tails are removed. I'm using a pre-cooked shrimp. This is the pasta that I'm going to be using. Don't forget to salt your water. It's time to put the pasta in. We'll put our broccoli in to steam. I'm going to add a little bit of salt to the broccoli. I have drained and rinsed the broccoli. While it's cooling, let's make our sauce. In this pan on low, I have 3 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to let this butter melt, and then we're going to add in some flour. To make our sauce, we're going to add in a couple big tablespoons of flour right in with the butter. We're going to start whisking in our flour right with the butter and let that flour cook right off. I have my pan on low, and I'm just going to keep whisking this to make sure all of that flour taste is cooked off. We don't want our sauce to taste like raw flour. I'm going to let this go for a few minutes, and then I'm going to add in some heavy whipping cream for our white sauce. Now that we've cooked off the floury taste, we're going to go ahead and add in our whipping cream. We're going to whisk this together with the flour and, of course, with the butter that we mixed with the flour. I'm going to add in some pepper, and then as soon as we get this mixed in, we'll add in some minced garlic. If your sauce gets too thick, just whisk in some of the pasta water. To heat up the shrimp, I've gone ahead and just put it right in the sauce, and now I'm going to mix it in, and then we'll top our pasta with it. And now we'll just top it off with some Parmesan cheese. This meal was so easy and only took minutes to put together. Thank you so much for being here. I had such a wonderful time putting together this meal. I would be so happy if you check out the other channels listed below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.